What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's a little bit different. We've got a product from PEGENUIS. Hopefully I'm saying that right. I might not be, but they decided to sponsor the channel and send us a form fit sunshade for the old Silverado today. So we're gonna check it out, dig into it, see what it's like, and then we'll install it when it's lighter outside so you can see how well it performs. And we'll do a temp test. So let's dig it out of there. All right, let's get this out of the box. It's packaged in there really well, I can tell you that. Put that there. It's a bit of a big box for another box inside. Put that out of the way. Ooh, I don't even have to cut this one. Okay. So it comes with a nice case. Here's the brand. Hopefully I say that right. PEGENUIS. Hopefully that's right. It's what Google's telling me, at least. Oh yeah. This looks really good, actually. Oop, I lost some papers. Look at that. Form fit. Really good soft quality too. It's like a weird fabric. Like it feels good but weird at the same time, and then it's smooth reflective texture on the back. Does anyone know the right way to put a sunshade on? Because I sure don't.
Are you serious?
I guess we're gonna have to figure that out. This will be a lot better than the one I'm using in there, that's for sure. All right, now let's cut to it being put in the old Silverado, the Silver Steed. All right, it's a new day. I'm gonna show you this sunshade in the daylight instead of in the dark. So here it is. That's what it looks like in the daylight. Not too bad. Silver side up. Let's see how, let's get this in. Oh yeah. I made it more difficult than it is. All right. Oh yeah. That looks pretty good. A little bit bigger gap than I probably need, but for the most part, it's way better than the other one. My other one's pretty cheap compared to this. We all go out and buy those cheap, you know, O'Reilly's, or go to Walmart and buy cheap one. Just do the job. This is fairly good quality. This is actually really nice. I'm not gonna lie, this sunshade from PEGENUIS, hopefully I'm still saying that right, looks amazing, does the job. Definitely 10 times better than the one I had on there originally. So thanks to the guys over at PEGENUIS. Hopefully, sorry if I'm not saying the name right. Hopefully I'm saying that right. But if you want to pick one up, I'll be sure to link it in the description. Thanks for watching.